Hi guys, in this video we will see review of Eveready LED lights. I bought these lights last year during Diwali, so thought of doing a long-term user review. So MRP of these lights is 699, but I got these for 250 rupees and they are available in three attractive color options: cool white, which I bought, warm white, which is on yellow side, and blue. These lights can easily enhance the ambience of any space. Specification: the length of LED is 15 meter and there is 72 LED count. Plug is pretty good, much better than these Chinese LEDs, and it fit better. Brightness, you see, this offers a high brightness and the brightness is good indeed. It gives the comfort to the eyes. So these lights are ideal for home decoration, festival lighting and parties. Their durability is great and you can use them on festives, pack them back and you are good for the next year. Not even a single LED won't work. All the 72 will work. So overall a great product. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.